Today I'm going to show you how to merge cells in a OneNote table, and you'll see how easy it is to combine cells either horizontally or vertically in just a few clicks. This is super useful when you want to organize notes more cleanly, create a better layout, or turn separate table cells into one larger space for headings, labels, or grouped information. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your OneNote page and make sure your table is already created. If you don't have one yet, you can insert a table first and then continue with the steps. Now, to merge cells, you need to select the cells you want to combine. Click and drag your cursor across two or more adjacent cells inside the table. The key word here is adjacent, because OneNote can only merge cells that are right next to each other. You can highlight cells side by side if you want to merge them horizontally, or cells stacked on top of each other if you want to merge them vertically. As long as the cells touch each other in the table, OneNote can bring them together into one larger cell. Once your cells are selected, look at the top ribbon and find the Table tab that appears automatically when you click inside the table. When the Table tab is visible, click it to open the Table tools. In that menu, look for the Merge Cells button. This is the command that tells OneNote to combine the selected cells into one. Go ahead and click Merge Cells, and OneNote will instantly merge the highlighted cells into a single cell. You'll see that the contents are brought together in one place, which makes your table look cleaner and easier to read. If you selected cells horizontally, they'll become one wider cell. If you selected them vertically, they'll become one taller cell. This is a really handy way to format tables in OneNote without having to rebuild them from scratch. If the Merge Cells option doesn't appear right away, make sure your cursor is actually inside the table and that the cells are selected properly. Also double check that the cells are touching each other, because non-adjacent cells can't be merged. Once you get the hang of it, the process is very quick. And that's it, you now know how to merge cells in a OneNote table. It only takes a quick selection and a click on the Merge Cells button, but it can make a big difference in how your notes are organized. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.